Hi. Before we get started, I just wanted to mention that I sell animal balloons and these balloon pumps in my online shop. The link is below. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a bear climbing a tree. And I'm going to do a blue bear. So we're going to need a 260 blue balloon. And I'm doing my tree green, so we'll also need a 260 green. So I'm going to blow up my bear. And I'm going to be leaving a 6 to 8 inch tail here. Be sure to let out some air in the front and tie. Now I'm going to start with the nose, and it's about a 4 or hand width apart, and then I'm going to be doing a slightly smaller bubble, and then a really small, like 1 inch bubble here, and then about a 2 inch, another 1 inch, and then about a 2.5 inch. So this is what we've got here. And we'll twist those all together, and we get this. Now I'm going to take the 2 smallest bubbles here. I'm going to take this small bubble, pull, pinch, and twist. And again on the other side, pull, pinch, and twist. So we get this. And now this piece, just squeeze it a little to soften it up. And I am going to put this through this opening here. Carefully roll it through. And then I can adjust my ears. And there we have our bear face. So now I'm going to do the arms. You could do a small neck if you like, but I prefer it. I think it looks better without the neck. So I'm not going to put a neck on my bear. For the arms, we do like 4 inch bubble here. And then we'll do another one. You can fold it in half and twist, or fold it in half to get the size, and then make a twist there, and then twist them together. So we have this. Now I'm going to twist a little bit here, or squeeze a little bit, and then I'm going to do my body. Squeeze a little more, and then I'm going to do my 2 legs here, my 2 hind legs. Leave a small amount, tiny bubble on the end for the tail, and then push it through like that. And there we have our bear. And now I'm going to twist this green one for the tree. And I'm going to blow this all the way up. I'm leaving no tail. Let out some air in the front. Tie. And then I'm going to fold and fold again. And then I'm going to twist here in the center of these like that. And then I'm going to fold this over and twist the nozzle into these. Like so. And then we have our tree. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this through the bear's arms. And then through the legs. And there we have our bear climbing a tree. Now you can get a Sharpie and draw your face on if you like. Please hit that like and subscribe button for me. And have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.